Welcome to Mechanical Classroom. Important Welding Questions. Part 2. In which of the following resistance welding process electrodes of two copper wheels are used? Correct answer, seam welding. Electric resistance welded ERP pipes are manufactured by seam welding. During exothermal chemical reaction in thermite welding, the temperature is of the order of 2700 degrees Celsius. In oxy-acetylene welding, the flame temperature is 3200 to 3300 degrees Celsius. In oxy-acetylene welding, color of oxygen cylinder is black. In oxy-acetylene welding, color of acetylene cylinder is maroon. Acetylene can be prepared by the chemical reaction between water and calcium carbide. Which flame is suitable for welding of ferrous metals, copper and aluminum alloys? Correct answer, neutral flame. Which flame is suitable for cutting operations? Oxidizing flame. Which flame is suitable for welding of non-ferrous metals like brasses and bronzes? Correct answer, oxidizing flame. Which flame is suitable for welding steel? Carburizing flame. Which of the following is not true for gas welding? Heat effected zone and distortion are less as compared to arc welding. The temperature of arc in case of arc welding is 3600 degrees Celsius. In arc welding, arc initiation voltage is of the order 60 to 100 volt. A gap of 3 mm is maintained for producing sound weld. A gap of 3 mm is maintained for producing sound weld. Which of the following welding process use non-consumable electrode? Correct answer, gas tungsten arc welding or TIG welding. In arc welding, the three elements to be controlled to obtain satisfactory welding operation are current, voltage, and speed of travel. In gas tungsten arc welding or TIG welding, the following polarity is used. Correct answer, all of the above. That is, direct current straight polarity, direct current reverse polarity, alternating current high frequency. Which of the following gas mixtures is not used in gas tungsten arc welding or TIG welding? Argon, nitrogen. In gas metal arc welding or MIG welding, which of the following polarity is generally used? Direct current straight polarity. Which welding process is used to join two thick plates in one single pass? Correct answer, electroslag welding. The following welding process is used to weld fastener to plates without drilling or punching holes. Correct answer, stud welding. For underwater welding, which of the following process is not used? Electroslag welding. The following welding process has greater directional stability due to passage of arc through copper orifice. Correct answer, plasma arc welding. The process which employ an exothermal chemical reaction to develop high temperature. Correct answer, thermite welding. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share my channel. Also join my Telegram channel.